Hey gorgeous, welcome back to another lovely vlog. I hope you are doing absolutely amazing today. I hope you're having a nice day, and if you're not, I hope that this video lifts your spirit. My name is Khatazamb. If you're new to my channel, I missed making a video. I feel like I say this in every vlog, but hear me out. I haven't been feeling creatively inspired since I moved here, and that's because I've been so overwhelmed. I just feel like I'm in a new role and I just needed time to be present and just enjoy the little moments, try and figure things out. I want to share with you guys all the things that I have been up to lately since the last vlog. So I moved out of my previous place.
I come up and I fall off, that's on me. That's on me. If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. That's on me. If I come up and I fall off, that's on me. If I fold and I sell out, that's weak. That's why I take my time before I make my mind up. And I do this like 7 days out of the week. And I grind so hard, I don't get much sleep. I had to earn my stripes, so I don't have to work no 9 to 5. Yeah, we be taking everything for granted, no lie. Cause I remember days that we could barely get by. Used to use the negativity to get high, but now the comments we reading can ruin our lives. Why? It used to be easy back on Easy Street. Hollywood ain't that good, it's going down like it's on a needed beat. Even though
Hey? Chili a chili cheeseburger meal.
Okay, no, you don't let me.
Chili cheese sandwich? Yes.
now it's lobster, all on top of my pasta. I can still feel locked up, like the head of a roster. Cause they'll take your soul from right up under your nose and make you feel like you did it just to obtain your goals. Oh yeah, it's good when you get it, but it don't last that long. Cause I promise you can't take it with you when you gone. That's why I come up and I fall off, that's on me.
I also decided to try out some new hobbies, you guys. Besides doing skincare, laundry, exercising, and enjoying the new Beyonce album, I have started exploring. One thing I've been enjoying about the kitchen is pantry, organization, and cooking. I absolutely love the kitchen because it's a 3-part kitchen. I am giving you guys a house tour without giving you guys a house tour. So there is a walk-in pantry, the main cooking area, and a scullery. I find it super satisfying to organize and make the pantry as functional as possibly, but also aesthetically pleasing. And my aunt hooked me up with a scone recipe, which has been doing the most. I'll link it on the description box if you guys are interested. And I've been challenging myself that every Sunday I will be baking scones for the purpose of practicing. The one time I put too much flour, and the last time I put too much sugar, or sometimes the dough is very runny, but at least with practice I'm actually picking up what I'm doing right or wrong. Other hobbies is gardening. Who would have thought I would be doing gardening? So at my previous place, because I was staying at an apartment, I never had the luxury of having an outdoor garden, and I've never really thought much about gardening or anything along those lines. So my husband absolutely enjoys gardening and it's something he's exploring, so I just decided to jump on that boat, and it's just a hobby that I think we bond over. I personally enjoy weeding. It's so therapeutic, you guys. We have so much weeds in like the grass or the surrounding areas, and just taking out the weeds is so therapeutic for me. And my husband also planted like these beautiful flowers. Oh my god, they're so beautiful, and they just light up the space outside, and it's just really nice. There is 5 minutes left before the electricity comes back. That's if the gods of load shedding decide to switch on the electricity on time. There is stage 6 today, which is wild because they switch off the electricity 3 times a day, in the morning, afternoon and evening. It's like a damn prescription. It's so annoying, you guys. It just messes up with my productivity. I'm really happy that I have a little bit of energy to make a video today, and I managed to find a shirt that doesn't need me to iron, so that's good. I hope you guys are still doing absolutely amazing. I hope you're enjoying the video. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. It is free 99. I have been making this video for 2 months now. This video initially meant to come up in August, but then life happened, and then now we're here. So the first segment of this video was edited in August, filmed and edited in August, and in this segment now we're in September, all in one video. It's been wild. I haven't been all that well, except for the fact that I got an iPhone. I finally got an iPhone, you guys. I can finally transfer footage from my phone to my MacBook seamlessly, and I don't always have to carry my DSLR everywhere because the camera on this thing is actually great. So I'm able to just get like a few B-roll footages here and there, and yeah, I'm really happy about my purchase. Another purchase that I'm really happy about are my new earrings. These Magogo earrings from H&M. I had these similar pair I bought I think 2 years ago, and the one earring got lost, and then I couldn't find this pair at any H&M except for the time that I went to Sandton City, and when I saw it I said no more. I decided to buy it, and trust and believe I'm going to wear these earrings in every vlog all the time, okay? I'm really happy about that. I also got my hair braided, you guys. Like I said, this video has been made between August and September, so in some parts of the video I still had short hair, and I decided to braid my hair at Mumi's, this natural hair salon, and then I also did my nails there, and that was because I had to attend a funeral, and I just wanted to look presentable, you know, as a Makoti. My mom-in-law unfortunately passed away at the end of August. I don't want to get into too much details about it, but what I can say is she was the first person in my life who I loved and had a one-on-one relationship with and cared for deeply, and her passing is very difficult for me. I don't know where in the grief cycle I am, but I'm going through the most emotionally, and that's also one of the reasons that I decided not to post for a while, because I just wanted to give myself enough time to process everything, and then I also didn't want to be inappropriate towards my family to be posting things and acting like, you know, all is well, whereas it's not. I hope I've given myself enough time to process everything, and I hope I'm not offending my family for posting. Like, if maybe it seems a bit sudden, I do apologize. I just do want to start feeling normal and doing things that make me feel good, because I used to feel really bad whenever I do something nice, and then I remember that like my mom-in-law passed away and I shouldn't be having a good time. Anyway, I'm rambling on. And the next thing is, because of that, I am gonna start taking my mental health seriously. I had already started going into seeing a therapist for just mental health purposes, guys. I feel like we go through a lot here in life, and I just can't deal with everything all the time by myself. I just need somebody who can help guide me in a sensible direction. At least maybe the little they can do is help me understand how I think from a deep psychological level. I hope what I'm saying makes sense. But yeah, I'm due for another therapy session on Friday, which I'm looking forward to. Yeah, I guess it's almost 5 minutes. If you guys like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. I promise I'll try to post something next week, even if it's not a great video, but just to show up here really lifts my spirit. And yeah, I'll see you guys. Bye.